So, last time, it kind of worked, but not really. I was mostly just making this weird motion, but just having one motion doesn't really feel like anything yet. I kind of want to turn it into something, even if it's just a really small piece. So I was thinking, maybe I can build a simple story around this. Like, the horse just suddenly feels really good, gets excited, stands up, and starts doing this. And while doing this, I realized something. I think I'm still stuck in that animation mindset. I keep trying to control everything with skeletons. So this time, I'm trying something else, using depth instead, just to see if it works better. All right, let me try this. Okay, let's see. Yeah, this actually looks a bit better, but something still feels off. The background feels weird. It kind of looks like it's just running in place. So I tried a few things, changed prompts, different seeds, ran it a couple more times, but yeah, still doesn't really fix it. And then I thought, why not just give it a background to work with? So I generated a clean scene, removed the horse, kept the environment. Then I brought it into Photoshop, shifted it a bit, deleted the broken parts, and let AI fill in those areas. Then I took that back into 3D. Put it on a simple plane and animated the UV a bit. Going back to ComfyUI, trying it again. And yeah, it starts to feel better, but still a bit weird. The mountains are moving way too fast. Everything moves the same way. So I tried splitting the background. Making the ground move faster and the distant parts slower. Going back to ComfyUI, trying it again. And yeah, this actually feels closer. Still not perfect, but at least now it feels like it's going somewhere. So I think I'll stop here for now. Next, I probably need to figure out the beginning of this, like why it even starts running. Yeah, I'll try that next.